Chiaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere mwancho murigire begeta seni kia Ndizi TV ya senchira yobo ikera ndi no gosemere no gendete koboko kiwa nabo igo wesemia na kwemanya emerobeli menge togenda kobato kwaliganire kurwa sigeta seni kia Ndizi TV nensa ya bene na inde togo chikoba togo sanga amona enganyare kobaga gwateka kuru Chinsemo a ime na isko yorgongo ruwa usi gati yali togenda kobato kwaliganire kurwa semme saito ya mayo mwancho murigire no murobelio oli bwa maigire yobolemi ayanyare kobago cha kabene imeye county ya Kisii ase egeti kia usi stadium ase merobeli yegendete kobaga goikirana asenchira yobo ikera runyora bo igoli tkolia lero abawakili kurwe county ya Kisii nigo beso kirena korobekana akobwatikana nabo koreri obo bebwo mo bisa chasa yenda uyole omuteneri anene bwa obisi yechindemera ime county ya Kisii ngati yanda mangeto gende tokoba to kwaliganiria omugasobone kanyeli ndo nyara kobo kwemanya amangelitere na kwa Josephat Amisi noli tokobwatara na era gwetera somono wemanyere ni yakuru kwa Joshua Auta ngwera nande sekero kitaliga tambe elito nyara kwa toko manyania. Togo chaka kegima korwa ase county ya Kisii anene korwa ase geti kia Gusii stadium somorobelio bukwaligania amoro krelio ya abalemi aogen ocha kirebene ime county ya Kisii ase geti kia Gusii stadium ayagendrete boniga na maliganio ase boigo ababwatani korwa ase sekta yobolemi banyare koba wikira na boigo abalemi elinde banyare koba wesemia amange elinde banyare koba kwegenderia ase obolemi ibwabo bwakera lituko mosakyo ito mangana Mildred Mumanyi no are asegeti kia Gusii stadium anyare ko bagotwalegeneria ayagendreta se ekerobuneke Bemono sana ntogenda ko batogo kumanya ayo mwancho murigiria yagendrete ase amorokerelio yobolemi togoska motwe abono nigo abawakili ba county ya Kisii ya sentunda ya kabere banyare ko babagwe sokia na boigo korokia ogotaisaneka nabo koreri bwo omuteneneri bwechindemero ime county ya Kisii Chinsa yenda bagokwana amune chinyomba cyoborali nigo banyara ko bakorokia ogotaisaneka kwabo echinga kibono batebanga nigo barachiko bakwenekia ngambanyare ko bakorobekana wikira chinga kichiria omobisa oyo nyare ko bagakorwa ase Amisi eyo yechindemero.
Jina naitwa Ngori Tom and I will wish to speak in English. Why we are here today is because we are saying the land registrar Kisii County must go. Ayenda must go, and why we are saying that is this. When Ayenda came to this Kisii County, he came and started to establish new extra-legal requirements that are required for us to get services at the land registry. We called him for a meeting. He did not attend. He scheduled a meeting himself. He did not attend. What is happening today is what we can liken to a person who is shooting himself in the foot. When he did not attend our meeting, he told us to present the petition. We presented a petition before him, and we were surprised that he is now going to the extent of abusing us. When he abused us, that is why now we are saying Ayenda must go. Because
ni wakili mtendakazi Kisii, na yale yenye tunatarajia leo ni kwamba mawakili tulipeana ilani kwa OCS wa Kisii Police Station Central kwamba tutaandamana. Maandamano yetu ni ya amani katika mji wa Kisii. Tutatoka kutoka kotini tuelekee katikati wa mji capital na tumalizie maandamano katika ofisi ya Kisii Land Registry. Kusudi la maandamano letu ni moja, ni kwamba mawakili na wananchi wa kaunti ya Kisii hawajapatiwa nafasi ya utendakazi katika ofisi ya Land Registry.
Magega y'abawakili abo kwana amone chinyomba ao choburali ni banyara ko bago chako korobekana kwabo aneno bogatagati bwo mu cyobo songo ase engwana yabe yarenge ya bene buna Chinsa yenda nyara ko ba gakorwa ase Amisi eyo yechindemero kubatakana no abokoreri obube okorobekana ko nigo bono kwanyara ko bago ko babetereria abanyanyimbo korwa ase egeta seni ya Kisii Central wesokia na anene goturbania okorobekana kururekano kubwatekana nogo kubarutera chitiagas korende nigo bakiri abanyare ko bakurira ngamba chiko bakogendera no kururekano kuwekera chinga kichiria cha sayendo nyare ko ba gakurusigwa asobisi ye chindemero ime account ya Kisii.
We are surprised by the decision of the police officers to decide to riot, because on our side we were on a very peaceful possession to the county land registrar, who last week called us fraudsters. I think the land registrar needs to be reminded that the same things that he was doing in Nyandarua, that he was forced to leave, he cannot bring them here. And Kisii cannot be a dumping site for rogue officers. We are telling the land registrar that we are not going to retreat, no matter the amount of tear gas, no matter how many days the police are going to riot. We are going to give this push to the end until Ayenda goes. Thank you so much.
Etogos kamotwe chingaki omotimoko omokonyalire kobago koera na boigo abana koirana ase chisukuru bono nigo abateneneri be sector yobosombi anene bwa matatu me county ya Kisii banyare ko bakomenta anene ekerengo giechibesa echiobosombi goikera gose ase ekerengo kia emerongo etatu kubatakana boteneri obwo nigo bwatebire kubwatakana komenta kakwirigori bia mabuta naririe irire anene okomenta kagwechibesa echio nyora aya nigachire maiga ye bunge enene goetio muswada ori bwechibesa asekerengo ekeria kia Isano na iseto gwikira 15 neyemo.
Sauli sasa mafuta ndiye imeenda vibaya, tukaona wacha tuongeze nauli. Sio kupenda yetu, ni hali kufinywa tumefinywa. Sasa bei ndiye imekuwa mbaya. Sasa kila mtu mahali yako anajua mafuta imeenda vibaya, lazima bei ipande.
Hivyo abiria pia akiambia ongeza, nasema si pia abiria pia analia. Sasa unajua wenye magari wanafikiria si makondakta ndio labda tunaweka kwa mifuko ya nyuma. Naumia sana. Na gari yenyewe ikipita pita ikienda mwenye gari anaimulika kwa simu akiangalia gari yangu naona inaenda. Anadhani iko na pesa lakini haina pesa. Polisi nao unajua kawaida lazima watunze.
Mwanzo tulikuwa tunatumia 500 kutoka Kianja mpaka hapa. Lakini sasa ni double. Sasa hizi tunatumia 1000. So tunaona kweli maisha yamepanda.
Togoika ime county ya Kericho asomokonyi bwomurai bwense rigadiga shagwa seritu kuri kabera agenda tukoba komerana amo na babwatani bobolemi bwekemerigie cha ime county ya Kericho gokwana kurwa aseseme ya Kericho nigo rigadiga shagwa tebrene serikali ya Kenya kwanza yanyareko bagekubwatera na kubeka emeroberio na bwigo koleta amonchoria asobolemi anene ase sector yekahawa na bwigo ase sector yechaebu na bitambukiro bigenderete ko bikwene kiabuna umuremi anene gwekeneye kigicha ne kawa unyare ko bakwenyorera digasa likerana boigo engeria isaine kurwase uburemi bwabo.
On behalf of my boss President William Ruto, that the reforms we are going to agree on, our two houses of parliament where we have the majority, the Senate and the National Assembly, will make the various amendments into law. Thereafter, the President and I and the ministers responsible will ensure 100% compliance with the law. This is part of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. And we are very serious about it. It cannot be that I'm here in Kericho for 3 days just to hang around. Na hii baridi ya Kericho siwezi kuja hapa na hii baridi. Sisi tumekuja hapa kazi. Na hii kazi, you know, many people when we were doing coffee, those cartels thought that ni ile mchezo wamezoea. Ati watu wanaongea alafu wanatutafuta milioni 10, milioni 20, alafu hiyo maneno nasahaulika. I want to tell the people who are here in all the sectors, KTDA, T-Board, nani, it's not business as usual.
Etokosuka mutu mwancho murigereria rio kwene kiabu na rigesa goserie ndagereria nyare ko bari komenteka ime county gose imese ya Kenya bono nigo obotenene bwa serikali gwetera ase wizara eriyo bokoreri bwa serikali banyara ko bokwerege tambokero na kwarigania anene a chi company chiabene nyare ko bachiko bwatera na serikali erinde nyare ko bachiko ene kebuna nyare ko bachiko beka emeroberio a anene a sechindo chiri chiatana na athi elinda serikali nyare ko kwegendereria na boigo abaremia Chinsa mecho banyara ko bakubwaterana eri banyara ko bakwegendereria ase oburemi bwa keralitiko okwana ya Felix Koskeyo iboigo ore omutenene anene bwa bokoreri bwa serikali liganyare ko bagagoteba buna serikali nechikobe kwendekia enero yanyare ko bagikobeka emeroberio agati yabo okubeka gosogosira abaremi ase Chinsemo echi elinde banyara ko bakonyera liga salia bene.
There's a console up.
Mr. Robert. How are you doing?
Thank you.
You know, when is the moment?
We need private sector investors to come and work together, and that has been a very clear call from national government that the government cannot deal with this production alone. They want private sector to do what they know best.
The most important thing, standard, is our interest to see that this canal is rehabilitated and the flows gets water throughout the year. That will benefit not only the national government, even the local community in this area.
Tuna support huu mradi kwa udi na uvumba. Sisi ni wakulima, wafugaji na wakulima wa mimea. Tuna support, na kama mimi mlemavu ambaye ni chairman area hiyo nitasupport huu mradi na
Etokosuka motwenigo abakagiro batatu banyareko bakobekwa biara amuna banyanyimbo imeye county gose imeye county ya Kiambu ase ensemo ya Gatundu ekobwatekana no gotoka nenyasore eye saine shilingi emilioni ayemo kubwatekana no muteneneri bwa banyanyimbo imeye ensemo ya Gatundu nigatebire abo batatu banyarako bakobekwa biara emambie bono ase banyarako bagotoka nenyasore yibasimegete ase ebituma imeye company ayemo yo bene.
We have been able to arrest 3 suspects who are in the farm. They are disguising, they were doing other types of farming, maize farming, but in the farm they had some plantations of this cannabis sativa that is being used by our youth around areas of Gatukoyo and Moya.
Na hawa mabusu hata wale tumewapata huko, wengine tumewaoji wanatoka mbali, Mount Elgon, wengine wanatoka Murang'a, shughuli zao ni tofauti. Kwa hivyo tunawaomba kama wanaajiriwa kazi wasiingie kufanya kazi mbaya kama hizo. Na sana sana tunashukuru Mautages team yetu vile litansa hiyo information na wakanunua hiyo information na mmoja wao akajitolea akawaonyesha mahali shamba iko. Asante.
Tokoso sensemo ya siasa magayo bomo bwazimi okorari ngambo chikoba bogokora okorobekana litukolyangi ochitariki Isano na Ibere elio gochengera litukolya 77 na boyo kwemburunganeria okomenteka kweligori ilio bogima bono ligo engwane yanyarire kobage kwegwa okobokone byombe na boyo ababwatani ababwango iga nababwatani anene kurase byombe biri byo korwanira obwene bw'amanyabantu ime county ya Mombasa asebatabiri banyare ko kwena na roboti ruo bende guchia sebita seni bya serikali elinde banyara ko bakwegwa libaga bakore okorobekana okukore ko murembe asebarachiko bakwene kinga banyara ko bakwemurunganeria serikali asokomenta okerengo kyuge magati yabo amagori ebinto
siku ya tarehe 7 mwezi wa 7 mwaka huu kwenda kuprotest high cost of living Finance Act 2023 na kucelebrate freedom fighters wa nchi, especially wa second liberation. Maandamano yenyewe itaanza pale Pembe ya Ndovu na imalizike pale Treasury Square. Pale tutapeana petition kwa county commander aweze kupelekea national government malilio yetu na matakwa yetu.
Mimi ni mwanaharakati ndani ya Mombasa County. Nafanya kazi na shirika la Coast Civil Society Network for Human Rights and also Together for Society Organization. Kitu ningependa kusema, first of all I would like to appreciate and also thank the administration, the police, Central Police, OCS. He has cooperated very well with us, na yeye mwenyewe anaelewa ile shida ambayo imetufanya tuende barabarani that Friday. Yeye mwenyewe amecommit ya kwamba yeye pia anaelewa. Jambo la pili ni zile ushauri ametupea, na ile ushauri ambayo ametupea ndio nafaa tukienda barabarani tujaribu kutekeleza zile ushauri kulingana na policies ambazo pia wamewekewa.
Kwa majina naitwa Harriet Muganda, mimi ni activist na human rights defender hapa Mombasa. And so coming Friday nina urge wanawake wote, kina mama, unajua njaa inapotutandika sisi na watoto wazee huwa wanakimbia.
Omwancho murigereria ingati yali ya mange togenda tukabato kwariganira kurwa semese to yama yali tukoria lero mbia munasingi njoka nige konyera kwa gusanga amo 9 nyara kwa baga kwenekia Amayia yagochire gwetera asomono bimanyereri gakoro kwa Joshua Auta na boyo gwetera asenchira yeli ogine chibicha bigali nyanchama litera nakoro kwa Josephat Amisi na kuganeirie oborigereria obuya bwemerobelio egendrete kwa bage kubwate migata sendiki Ndizi TV nyora boigo ngomera na tole amonaye Chinsa ikomi chiabo na mugoroba ase aya amona yanda mange togenda tukoba to kwariganiria.